What a view. Hi, peoples. Hi. I'm in what was sunny Melbourne. Yesterday it was freaking 34 degrees and today it's 15 and free. Gotta have a coffee. Good one too. I've brought the laptop. I will be editing. I just won't be fixing. I will be walking and documenting and driving something. It's nearly 11 o'clock and I'm still frigging on the computer editing. I'm going for a walk. That's Andy. You're worse than me. Truth. We've got our 70s Mini and our 70s F100. That's mint. Loving it. I'm going to head back to the hotel.